Mandy from Zhejiang Shanghai Leisure Product Company Limited. And now fall and winter is coming. And I want to tell you how to choose indoor chair for winter season. Now you can see we have many indoor chairs for winter because they are all with foam and very soft. Like this one, the pink one. This is indoor chair for winter because it has foam in middle, and the surface fabric is brush fabric. It's very soft and comfortable. For this chair, we have a pillow here, and you can lie here, and on the pillow it's very comfortable. And for this chair, the tube is still with the gold hot coating. It's very nice and modern. The back fabric is Oxford fabric and the durable fabric. We make DTM color. And for this chair, we also have a contrast color of the feet pads in black. The feet pads makes the chair more stable. Now let me try it. It's very soft, and it makes you feel very warm when you in winter. For this chair, we make a design and sew in a line like this here. But if you have a design requirement of the surface of the chair, we can follow your requirement and make a sample or bag for you. Okay, now I have finished introduce of this chair. If you have any question, please leave us a message. Thank you.